faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. She's drinking water from the fountain. I don't know if she's gonna drink it. I wouldn't drink that. Anyway, you guys, good morning. Something caught my attention. That's what I was commenting about. Fam.
Hi guys.
Tyler.
Hi guys.
Where are we going? Yeah, we're going to the supermarket and we're going to the toy store too. Yeah, I want to go to the toy store to see if I find some little items that I want for Tyler's room and pick up some other few things that I want for Tyler. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. We are out early this morning, even though we reached home super late last night. We didn't go to bed until after 1, after 2, something like that.
I think we reached home
about
like
1:30.
1:30.
Yeah, so we went to bed about 2 o'clock somewhere there. But we had an amazing day yesterday. It was everything seeing Elaine, everything. But back to regular scheduling, regular program today. We're out on the road. It's the weekend. We have stuff to do. So we're gonna do that and see what else we have up our sleeve for today. Look at this sexy car beside me. Jeez. Hi. Porsche or no? I don't see any sign on it. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Hopefully you guys are enjoying your weekend or enjoying your week, whatever time of the day that you guys are seeing this vlog. We love you guys. If it's your first time to the fam bam, make sure you subscribe. What you say, Ty? Okay. Anyway, you guys, we love you and stay loved and stay blessed, and we are heading out on this beautiful day to just have a good day and stay positive with whatever it is that you're doing today. What do you say? You say bye? All right, Tyler, say bye. Take the camera. He said, Mama, take the camera. Okay, have it. I see you in there. I'm in Toys R Us. I saw a sheet that I'm doing Tyler room theming that I need. So I came for that, and I'm trying to find some other things for his room. So hopefully I can find those. Yes. Yeah. Go. Go, go. Which one you want to go on? Give me the car.
Pour votre attention, s'il vous plaît, Donia, merci de contacter le 30, s'il vous plaît, Donia, pour le 30, merci.
I see you. Come.
Mama.
Yes.
Come in the window. Come in.
We can take another car. He was asking for Sam. Alright, go back for Sam. Sam. Look. If there's no... He was asking for Sam, so... Go with Papa. Go, 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 go. it, you guys. Of course, especially if you're far away. Wow, look at that one. I would enjoy seeing this.
Still have the sound of what just happened.
Wow, look at that one. I'm a sucker for fireworks. I love seeing it. I'll sit down and watch it for hours. Wow. Wow.
Some of the farthest one we saw.
Yeah.
I think the one that we went down would have been very good from here too.
You would have been the closest.
But we were just.
Because it would look like you would be just right in front of us here.
But we were in a better position.
Oh, yes. The best position.
Laying down.
Wow, look at that.
Laying down in the beach.
Well, I wasn't laying down, I was sitting. So that was about the laying down part. Wow.
That's the end coming now.
Yes, wow.
Just sending in the same time everything down.
Wow. Jeez.
Can you believe how loud it is from here? You see that the sound didn't reach yet and it's finished already?
I don't even remember where was the last place I talked to you guys where I was holding your hand is on my bun.
Today?
Yes. I think honey your hand.
Sorry.
Gee.
You laying on my hand.
My hair, my bun. I think I was in the supermarket. I think that's the last place I talked to you guys. We went and bought Tyler vests for school, which was super cute. I can't wait to see him in them. And we went shopping, went supermarket shopping, and we came home and we actually did some moving. So the moving officially has begun today.
Yeah, that was the first travel.
Yeah, we bring some stuff to the house. We bring a few boxes to the house.
When it's like this, I'm just thinking that it's not much stuff that we have.
Yeah,
but
when
in
you
the
think
same-
about it.
But in the same time, when you go in the closet, put clothes in the box, look like you didn't put no clothes in the box already full.
That's true. And also I think because I move fast when I'm packing, so it don't take much time.
Well, I wasn't really talking much about the time, but more about the
Things we have.
yeah, about the volume, like the amount of boxes. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow we'll be able.
We did a lot today though, more than I expected. We went to our storage and we clean it out completely, and we bring everything, most things to the new house. And so today officially start moving, and we have 1 full week. Thank God baby's on vacation. We have 1 full week to get everything out of the house. So by next weekend everything should be gone out of the house and clean and hand over the keys. And then we will officially be in the new house. So babe, we'll have 1 week in the new house before we head back to work. Yeah.
Yeah, you know, it's not a vacation, it's just moving.
Yes.
But
I'm happy that you took the time off though, because if you didn't take
I
the
had
time off it would have been harder.
Yeah, I had to, and always some, you know, it's moving is moving furnitures, but it's also like with the electricity, with the internet, with all of this thing you have to do all of this moving.
Little things to do.
Yeah, papers and yeah, but
we're getting there slowly but
Yeah.
surely. Anyway guys, Tyler is off to bed and we did a lot today, so we are going to head to bed, even though I'm actually doing a little packing right now. I'm packing away clothes that we don't wear at this time of the year into boxes. So that's what I'm actually inside it. So I just lied. I don't think I'm going to bed just yet. I'm just gonna finish probably 1 or 2 more boxes, and then I'm gonna go to bed. Tomorrow though is gonna be a huge day, and I won't tell you guys what it is, but it have to do with renovation. But you guys will see what it is that we are going to be up to tomorrow. So if it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys won't miss out on anything that is happening with us. We love you guys, and thank you guys for watching. And yes, Tyler is off to bed, and we are just gonna tell you guys that we love you, and give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. And you guys won't get an expression tonight, but don't worry, you know we got you. But we're just bummed. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.